And we are back. Welcome to today's episode of how to clean this Forbes 5-star fitness equipment in our wonderful spa in Williamsburg. Alright, so go ahead and bring it in. First, we're going to show you how to adjust the equipment. Unlike the Matrix machine, this is a Nautilus machine. With the Nautilus machines, to adjust, it's always a blue lever. You will grab the lever, pull down, and lift it up. And after you lift it up, you go ahead and press it down. Sorry for the extra enthusiasm. Had a raise and shake before work. So after that, you're gonna grab the spray. You know the drill by now. We've done about 12 machines, but we're gonna keep doing more machines. So you're just gonna, go ahead and spray all around it. And after you do that, go ahead and take your handy dandy blue rag. You're gonna wipe it down. Wipe the handles. Don't forget the cup holder area. A lot of people like to skip the cup holder area. It holds a lot of dust, it holds a lot of water. People leave wrappers in there, we get points off for that. People leave headphones in there, we get points off for that. People leave hair in there. How? I don't know. We get points off for that. Make sure you hit the cup holder area. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Anyways, we're gonna start wiping here again. We're gonna make sure we get a nice loop-de-loop, Mario Kart style around, just like that. Shout out to Bowser. And then we're gonna come around the top, get here, another cup holder, back up at me, cameo shot. Don't be that guy. Make sure you get the cup holder. It's very important. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bring it down in the equipment now. It likes to get real sweaty. I don't know if there's sweat stains over here. There's one right here, a big sweat. A big sweat stain. We're gonna go ahead and spray, and it is gone, just like that. Make sure to get this, just like the other equipment for these spinners.
The reason why we adjust this is so that you can get all of this in here.
Exactly.
If the seat is all the way down here, you can only clean this much.
Preach. Go ahead and check out that hair right there. Cameo shot.
Yeah.
Don't be that guy. Alright, go ahead and make sure you clean the equipment.
Two-finger method.
Yeah, go ahead and you gotta pinch onto it. People, they just shed in here while they're working out. Hey, look, man, people are stressed out. They come in here to, work leg hit. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, so.
If you want, you can wear gloves.
Yeah, make sure you clean it. We have gloves in the fitness closet. We're gonna get down here now. It's really dirty, really sweaty. Gonna go ahead and wipe this down. This is a very underrated area. I'm getting a phone call, oh my God. So we're gonna go ahead and spray right here. We're gonna clean it around. Bring it on the back side. Front side, excuse me, you're right. I'm stressed out, I don't know why. All right, and we're also gonna make sure that we hit the sides of the machine, but for time purposes, we're not gonna do that. For the front, right here, we're gonna go ahead and hit this with Windex. You don't wanna spray the peroxide on it. You're gonna mess up the color. Thank you for joining us. Don't be that guy. Have a great one.